Hey
Hey
guys,
guys,
so today we are going to see about the
10 most fastest cars in the world.
yes. So let's get into the video.
Yeah. Number 10, Zenvo ST1 goes at the speed at 233 miles per hour, which is $1,225,000. Only 15 of these were made and they have already been sold. The ST1 is the first crack at a supercar, hypercar, whatever you wish to call it, by Danish company Zenvo. It comes equipped with a 6.8 liter V8 that puts out over 1100 horsepower and can reach a top speed over 230 miles per hour. If you're a fan of the popular show Top Gear, you may well remember the episode in which the ST1 put on a very disappointing performance and even caught fire during their testing. Number 9, McLaren F1, which goes at the speed of 243 miles per hour, which is 1 million. The real geezer on the list, the F1 has been a staple for fast car lovers since its very beginning in 1992. During the early and mid 1990s, the McLaren F1 was considered the be all and all in terms of speed and allowing an owner to make a statement throughout much of the decade. The 240 to 243 mph speed was the highest of any production car in the world. It speaks to the engineering of this machine that it is still in the top 10, even over 20 years after it was first conceived. Number 8, Koenigsegg CCX, which goes at the speed of 245 miles per hour, which is $545,000, making its first two appearances on the list is Swedish supercar creator Koenigsegg. This beast was first produced back in 2005 and featured a couple of different variants before the company switched focus to the Ariga in 2010. The CCX was and still and is an incredible machine. The base model CCX boasted a top speed of 245 miles per hour, which was verified, but other variants such as CCXR, the CCX Special Edition, and Trevita were all said to have surpassed this. But such claims are unproven. For our purposes, the CCX comes in at number 8 with a top speed of 245 miles per hour. Number 7, Saleen S7 twin turbo, which goes at the speed of 248 miles per hour, which is $600,000. The upgraded, juiced up, younger version of the S7, credited as one of the US first supercars, is number 7. While the S7 itself was a thing of beauty when it first came out in the year 2000. The twin turbo variant, which came into production in 2005, is a significant improvement. The TT not only has two turbochargers made by Garrett AI Research, allowing 200 more horsepower, but also a reworked body achieves significantly more downforce. Number 6, Bugatti Veyron Grand Sports BTC, which goes at the speed of 254 miles per hour, which is 2,250,000. The first two Bugatti Veyrons on our list is the newer Grand Sport Vitesse. Interesting to know about this beautiful machine is that it is an open top design reaching 254 miles per hour. An open top vehicle earned Bugatti the record for fastest open top car. Possibly most impressive is that this marvel can go from 0 to 60 in under 2.7 seconds, a very respectable feat for a vehicle weighing over 1,800 kilograms. Interestingly, the driver who set the record in the Grand Sport Vitesse claimed that even when it reached such speed, the car remained reliable and drag was barely noticeable.
Number 5, 9FF GD9R. 254 miles per hour, which cost $695,000. German company 9FF came out with the GD9 in 2007. It is based off the Porsche 911, but given the numerous changes, especially the mid-engine, which has been nearly completely rebuilt. It is a separate car rather than just a turned-up 911. The GT9R was widely rumored to be faster than 257 miles per hour, but 254 was its test speed. Many actually considered 257 to be its top speed, but it is unproven in terms of having been measured by a reliable governing body. Number 4. SSC Ultimate Aero TD 256 miles per hour, which cost $654,000. Prior to 2010, the Shelby Ultimate Aero was the production car with the Guinness World Record for speed. It was beaten back in 2010 but remains a staple of speed. The TD, to those who aren't familiar, is for twin turbo as it is upgraded version of Ultimate Aero, putting out a bit more power than earlier version with about 100 increase in HP and over 200 IB increase in torque. Number 3. Koenigsegg Agera 1 267 miles per hour, which cost $2 million. The price tag is a rough estimate at this point, as Swedish automaker Koenigsegg did not release clear figures for cost of Agera 1. Rather, they said it would be about 30% more than Agera R. The 267 miles per hour is also somewhat of a low ball, as it has not been tested and the makers claim it will go above 273 miles per hour. The fact of the matter is, this list can change very quickly depending on when a company makes an official run with one of its cars. Number 2. Bugatti Veyron Supersport 268 miles per hour, which cost $2,700,000. The Guinness Book of World Records fastest street legal car is the Bugatti Veyron SS. There is an ongoing feud between our numbers 1 and 2 over the exact record holder. But for the purpose of this video, Bugatti comes in the second place. Its 8.0L W16 behemoth of an engine puts out 1200 horsepower. The vehicle can reach an impressive 268 miles per hour, but the road versions, which are not in the hands of their customers, are limited to just over 258 miles per hour for the sake of tire longevity. Number 1. Hennessy Venom GD 270 miles per hour, which cost $1 million. The Texas-based Hennessy Venom Performance made a thing of truly beauty with the Venom GD. It is because of technicalities having to do with numbers built and that their record-setting run was in a single direction that they do not hold the record for the fastest production car. The future looks theoretically bright for Hennessy, who plan to have Venom F5 on its way to buyers for 2016. The F5 is boosted to be able to hit 290 miles per hour, along with more downforce and a body designed for less drag and some engine modifications. The Venom GD is one of what may call a tonner. On this list, it is not a tonner. The body and certain parts were based off Lotus Exige, but vehicle itself is a production car made by Hennessy Performance.